Hey everyone, I'm going to show you a neat addition we made to the landing page builder to make it easier for you to manage your text styles on the page. So if you're looking here, I have my newsletter crash course. Let me try that again. My newsletter crash course. That's kind of tough to say. This is my landing page. And let's say I want to change all of the font on the page so it's more serious. Let's maybe use a serif font. So I go over into this body font area of my template styles. I'll click on font family and select Merriweather, and that'll change all of the font on the page to use that new serif. Now, one neat thing about this is if you've already made customizations to your text, it won't overwrite those changes. So you can see I already changed the color of this headline. So if I want to change the color of my main font just to make it lighter gray, maybe I'll click on this and make that change. You can see it changed here. It doesn't overwrite my main text. So let me cancel. And there you go. That should make it a whole lot easier for you to manage all of your text elements on your page. So now when I drag in new text elements, it's going to have those settings saved already. Hello, my name is Chris. This is Merriweather with the text size of 16, which are the settings that you see over here. And if you have any ideas for how we can make this better, easier to use, more powerful, always let us know, because we really want to serve you and make sure that you can build an audience and communicate with them in remarkable ways. Have fun and build something cool.